So, the place that we booked, there's no power right now. So what they're gonna be doing is giving us options to stay at some of the different sites, and they're comping it 100%. We're supposed to stay here, but now we have an option to stay in Area 3 or Area 4.
Because this area has no power.
And Area 4 is more expensive, but it's not gonna cost us anything because they're comping it. So,
boom.
Bang, bang.
We'll score there.
Yep.
Okay, so which one do you think?
I kinda wanna do 449.
449.
Just on the edge.
Yeah, and we have one side to ourselves.
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it. There's also no sewage here at this site.
Well, there are, but they're more expensive.
Yeah, so the site we're at doesn't have sewage, so I guess we'll just be showering in the bathhouse. We haven't showered in like 5 days because we've been boondocking, and we didn't fill up water before because there was a miscommunication and we thought there was water, but there wasn't. So we have a bunch of dirty dishes in the sink, and we haven't showered in a long time. So lots to do, lots of cleaning to do in just a minute.
I asked her about self-service and they said it's good, and that there's some people using Starlink here as well.
Oh, cool. Hello. It's time for the fun part.
It's fun for you.
No, it's not.
You don't have to do it. By the way, we do use a different hose for a black tank.
Yeah, don't be concerned. We're not that much of a rookies.
We have the black hose over there for our regular water.
Yeah.
And the white's for the poo-poo water.
It's for the poo-poo water. Oh, and there he goes again. Come on, come on. Good boy. Okay, to the campsite we go.
We're getting the view, man.
Oh my God, we're right on the lake, guys. All right, so here's the damage of all of the dishes we need to wash. So I'm gonna tackle that now. We're here for 10 days, so the goal is we go 5 days before we have to empty the gray tank. So I'm gonna be a little conscientious with how much water I use.
Okay, Starlink, you just hit like 120.
What, really?
It's not even fully settled in yet. Consistently fast.
That is so satisfying. I want clean. It's time for showering at the bathhouse. I'm bringing all the things because unlimited water, so why not? I'm so tired and I am gross, so this is gonna be much needed. Forgot the towel. Oh, so did Dylan. All right, bye. Okay, I don't think anyone's in here. So it looks like all of these, there's 4 normal bathroom stalls, and then there are 8 toilets and 4 showers. Okay, we'll go with this one. Is there not a lock? Oh, yes not. Is there a lock here? Okay, this one has a lock. All right. So glamorous. All right, well, as long as it gets hot, I don't care. Okay, pressure. Feeling fresh. Good morning. Okay, so it's like, I don't even know what time it is, hold on. It's 8:05. I have been up since 6 because we went to bed super early because Dylan literally left this morning at midnight. Well, 12:05 a.m. to be exact, and he has arrived in New Jersey for a work project. He's insane, but I've been up for a few hours now, and I'm going to make some banana muffins because these are just about on their last leg, and I've made these a few times so far in the trailer, and they're really, really easy to make. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then take Mojo on a walk and have my work call. We're gonna have a great day, and this campsite, by the way, is stunning. I haven't even, I don't think, fully introduced this video, but we've just arrived in West Virginia. This is actually my first time in West Virginia, and we are at Mountain Lake Campground, I believe it's what it's called. And like you heard yesterday, the power was out where we were originally supposed to stay, so we have now got a Mac Daddy spot basically right on the lake, and it is gorgeous. Like, waking up to this and taking Mojo on a walk along the lake this morning was so dreamy. So I'm really excited. We're here for like 10 days, so definitely starting to make myself at home here. But yeah, gonna make some of these banana chocolate chip muffins, and then we'll get started with the day. And then of course my guilty pleasure, watching the Great British Baking Show while I bake. Oh, and I got the oven on. Oh, she's smoking. I got it on in 2 tries this time, so pretty proud of myself. done. Oh, that already feels done. Yep, okay. So I put these in at about 325 for like 25 minutes, and I think they're gonna turn out great, yay. So it's finally starting to clear up, but it's literally been pouring all morning. I woke up at like 4 a.m. because it was just pounding on the trailer, and it's just so convenient because my shoes were outside, so I didn't know it was gonna rain, and they are dripping wet, soaking wet. But it's no longer as big of an issue as it used to be because I can actually dry these shoes in less than an hour with my new best friend right here, the Mobile Dry portable dryer. I'm telling you, this portable dryer has been an absolute lifesaver on the road because it can dry soaking wet gloves, socks, hats, shoes, and boots in just minutes. Whether I'm on an unexpectedly wet hike, get caught in a crazy storm, or leave my shoes outside in the rain like today, this bad boy makes my life so much easier. All I have to do is pick the right attachment, hook it up to the dryer, and plug it into a 12-volt power outlet, which lets me dry my boots in less than an hour from inside the car. It fits right into the cup holder, and with the ultra-fast heat mode, I can dry soaking wet hiking boots on the way to my next adventure. I highly recommend getting this bad boy for all of your outdoor adventures, and I've actually teamed up with VersaDry to get you an exclusive 15% discount until October 28th. All you have to do is click the link in the description box or use code Crosby15 at checkout. Now, back to the video. So I'm actually pretty slammed with work today. I didn't really realize it until I had my team call, and then a bunch of deadlines came up and things I need to do. And for those of you that don't know, I am fully self-employed, so everything I do is fully online. I am a freelance social media strategist, so I mainly help business executives and some companies with their online presence on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my content creation business here on YouTube and Instagram. So those are kind of my main sources of income, as well as some digital products and consulting work too, for people who want to be able to work from anywhere like I do. But I have a ton of freelance work that I'm gonna try and knock out this afternoon. I have been on the computer for the last like 3 hours or so, but I did want to let you know, let me show you real quick. So as you can see here, we have started using Starlink, which is really, really cool. And we literally started using this at our last hip camp in Virginia just to try it out, because on Starlink's website it does say that the East Coast is not yet covered, but we've been using it a few times here and there and it works amazing.
I just got 100, now it's 50.
Yeah, it kind of varies a little bit,
but it averages about 50 to 70 at the spot that we're at. It
really has to do with how many people in the area are using it, which is why I think Starlink hasn't put it on its website that it's available, because if everyone starts using it, it's going to overrun the system. But yeah, we've started using it here and there and it's working really, really well. Dylan needed to bring the WeBoost with him on his work trip, so I'm just using Starlink to work right now and it's working really well. So let me go check the speeds for you because it kind of fluctuates, but I'm curious what it is right now. All right, so let's go to speed test and we'll check the speeds real quick. Oh, that's pretty slow. This morning it was about 100 megabytes download, so that just goes to show, yeah, and right now it's about 10, 11 download. The upload's always really bad. It's probably gonna be like nothing. Oh! That's about normal. But yeah, we're kind of realizing that during the day, it's often a lot slower than normal. I'm fine with 10 megabytes right now because I'm not really doing any Zoom calls or anything like that, so it's totally fine. But at night and in the morning when not as many people are using it, it is crazy fast. Or if you're in an area where it's very unsaturated. But yeah, it's been really interesting using Starlink so far. Let me know if you have experience with it yourself in the comments. But I'm gonna get back to work now because there's a lot to do. So I'll see you in a few hours.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
So, little update on my life, my mental state, all of those fun things. I am actually doing a lot better. The last 4 days, I believe, have been really, really great. Honestly, like the best headspace I've been in a few weeks. You know, I was planning on filming last weekend, but I had a really, really bad just like few days, so I just let myself breathe, and that really gave me a lot of energy for this week, and I'm just feeling really motivated and excited to get back at it and just kind of share, you know, the life with you guys. But I really, really appreciate all of the support and the incredibly kind words and so many of you opening up after my last video about how I've been struggling a lot with anxiety and depression since being in the trailer. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for being so gracious and kind. It does not go unnoticed. I read every single comment and love all of them. So thank you so much, and I wish you all well. You know, life isn't easy, no matter how glamorous it might seem on social media, so I'm always gonna keep it real. I'm never going to sugarcoat things or make things seem perfect when they're not. So thank you so much, but now I'm gonna get to a workout because that has been making me feel so good lately. It's just prioritizing moving my body. It's hot, I'm already sweating, and I think I'm gonna do a different kind of workout than normal. I feel like I need to run around a little. So I'm in this big grassy area, lots of space. This is the perfect spot. So I got my yoga mat and I brought my workout bands. I left my dumbbells at the trailer. I don't really need them today, but I am gonna use my workout bands and then just do like body weight exercises and like maybe some, I don't know if I'm gonna say sprints because I might barf, but I'll do something that gets my heart rate up. So we'll see.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free.
The only way I don't get swarmed by bugs right now is if I run. So I don't really know what else to do. I look up and there's just a swarm, like right now. Oh my God. Yeah. Mojo, look who's here. Oh, who's that? Go get him, Mojo. Thank you. He's back.
I'm back, man.
You look good. Doesn't he look good? We're kind of matching. So we're doing kind of a meal prep situation here. Nice. Got a little penne going in the pot, although we're probably gonna eat all this tonight. Roasting up some cauliflower and zucchini like you saw, and I'm about to saute some mushrooms and spinach. Feasting it up tonight. Hopefully we'll have lots of leftovers, and I'm sure Dylan will be cooking some kind of meat of choice. But yeah, this always makes my life so much easier. How's it looking? It rained last night.
Did it rain last night here?
Yeah, I told you, it poured.
I thought it was just this morning.
Well, I think it was like early this morning.
I wasn't here. So.
Well, we have the cheater wood, and it got a little wet, but hopefully it pulls through for us. I'm so excited. Okay, pasta, I don't want to spill it. I got pasta, mushroom, spinach, zucchini, cauliflower. And I slayed the cauliflower, by the way. And then I put a little bit of vegan butter in the pasta. I needed that. Oh my God. I'm adding feta to my pasta. Fall is in the air. It's quite chilly. It's getting down to the 40s tonight.
Yeah, we're having heater on.
Yeah. Officially fall. It's like in the 50s right now. I am not used to this weather. It feels really good, and so I'm embracing it. At least it's super sunny, which is great. But I'm about to go do a giant load of laundry and then head to the gym. So let's go. Big one on the bedding. So I just ran out of quarters and there's no exchange coin machine here, which there usually is at laundromats, but this is a very basic laundromat. Just put it lightly so they don't have any. And I don't know what to do because I don't want to leave my laundry here, but I need to dry my clothes. Okay, this is the worst angle ever, but I literally don't have anywhere to put the camera. But just finished laundry, and I'm going to head to Anytime Fitness now. Putting on a tank top. So I did this the other week. I got a free day pass to Planet Fitness because I really miss working out like in an area where there's other human beings. And also it's just nice to kind of get a change of scenery. So I looked up to see what gyms were nearby, and there was an Anytime Fitness here. I've never been to an Anytime Fitness before, but on their site they have a 7-day free trial, and we're at this campsite for like 10 days. So I got it, and I'm gonna head there now, and maybe I'll go a few more times next week. I'm really trying to get back into fitness. It always helps me feel really good, you know, physically, but mainly mentally. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna head now and go do a little workout. This has honestly been such a nice week. I am absolutely loving staying on Summersville Lake. This has probably been my favorite place so far on our RV road trip. And I feel like this video gave you a pretty good idea of what full-time RV life really looks like. Lots of work and normal people things like laundry and working out, but also some fun mixed in. Speaking of which, we have a super fun weekend planned. We are going to be exploring all around this area in Fayetteville, as well as the newest national park in the US, which is called New River Gorge National Park. I'm so excited to explore this park and do some cool hikes, and I've heard that Fayetteville is absolutely adorable, so I'm really excited to explore. Obviously gonna be filming the whole thing, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet so you see that video next week. And thank you so much again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. It really supports me, and make sure to subscribe to join the Rookies on the Road fam, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!